Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a little cosplay makeup tutorial for Nico Yazawa from Love Live. She's my favorite girl from this anime. But stop chit-chatting and let's get started. First, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in light to cover the eyebrows and blemishes. Then I blend it out with a makeup sponge. Up next, I'm using the foundation from the same collection and the shade is called Vanilla. I'm applying small dots all over my face and blend it out again. To cover my blemishes a bit more, this concealer from Benefit is really good. I like to use this to hide the wetness around the nose. For the eyebrows, I'm using this Kat Von D brow pencil in Graphite. I'm drawing the brows by following their natural shape and fill them. With a brush, I blend them to make them look slightly softer. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm applying peach butter as a base for the eyeshadow. Then, I will be using the Cherry Blossom palette from Etude House. I'm putting a warm brown color almost all around my eyes and blend it out. Next, use this light sparkly white shade in the inner corner of the eyes. Here's my favorite eyeliner. This liner from NYX is absolutely bomb. I start by drawing the wing and then I link it with the rest of the upper eyelid. I never had such a good long-lasting liner and it's pretty easy to use. Repeat the step for the other eye. To finish my eye makeup, I'm completing this look with some fake eyelashes. These ones are from Etude House and they're perfect for girly anime characters. Apply lash glue, wait a bit until it gets a bit tacky, you can blow on it like me but not sure if it really fits the procedure. And just stick it. Super big eyes, right? But I'm not done yet. I like to use bottom falsies when I cosplay, it makes my eyes even bigger. I like to cut them in small pieces like this. They fit better this way. You're going to see it by yourself soon. I'm sticking every piece one by one. It's a bit long, but it's worth it. And voila! For the cheeks, I'm using this Sephora blush. Apply as much as you like until you're satisfied. Let's add some colors to the lips. My tip for having pretty lips without drying them out to death is lip tint with a matching lip balm. First, I'm applying a wet lip tint. I like it colorful, so 2 or 3 coats are good. I soften the lines with my fingers and here we go with this strawberry lip balm. This step is optional but sometimes I like to add a bit of shine. This highlighter stick is pretty handy. I use it on the nose bridge, the cheekbones, the cupid bow, then blend it out with my fingers again. To fix the makeup, I use a setting powder and a setting spray. First, apply a thin layer of powder all over the face with a brush and a bit on the neck for no reasons. And to set the whole makeup, use the spray. So yeah, we're done! Now the last remaining step is to dress up. Ta-da! Nico-chan is finally ready! Say hi to your favorite idol! I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like or comment and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching, I send you good vibes and a lot of love. See you next time!